Hello, and welcome to Gallery Builder from the Synthetic Reality division of Isoblock. Gallery Builder is a simple web app that has just two basic functions. 1. Makes web page image galleries based upon user input and uploaded content. 2. Makes a zip archive of the image gallery web page that may be downloaded and installed elsewhere. In addition to creating downloadable archives of image gallery pages, Gallery Builder can be set up to either host or not host the pages that it creates. Here on syntheticreality.net, Gallery Builder is set up to host the gallery web pages it creates, and to also create an archive download of the web page. Before you use the application, you should read the About Gallery Builder, Privacy Policy, Terms of Service, and Cookies Policy under the About Us menu entry. The Synthetic Reality site is installed on a virtual server, a Bitnami Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP LAMP stack hosted in the Amazon Web Services cloud.
Well, that was rather brief. The robot started talking about worker equity for androids, so we unplugged him. Let's take a look at one of the galleries that Gallery Builder made. This is called a long drawn-out journey. And when we look at it, the first thing we want to notice is the text content. So we have a URL that we can reach this page through, and that is filled in by the application in host mode. And in this case, it's syntheticreality.net. We have a URL for the page, which in this case we call a Gallery of Drawings 3. And that will be part of the overall URL. We have a page title, and in the browser tab up there where you can't see it, it says A Drawings Gallery 3. One place you can see it here is that if I save the page as a bookmark, it also shows that as A Drawings Gallery 3. These are text bodies or strings that we entered from prompts. We have a site name that in this case is called simply Isoblock. We have a site subtitle. It says what it says, a portfolio design, etc. We do not ordinarily install a menu, but up here in the corner there is a single button that'll take us back to the galleries page. We have a gallery display name that is shown here. We have what we call a gallery description that is shown here. We have a gallery comment. The other two text areas that we enter or provide for Gallery Builder are a name and an email address for the artist that created the gallery. Now, besides the text materials, if it's a gallery of images, one of the things we look at is the images. So we have image files that we use to populate the gallery. In this case, these are JPEGs, and you notice that they're shown in rows where the aspect ratio, the width to the height, is nominally shown proportionally. And, interestingly enough, that happens when we look at each individual image. We have some caption details for each one of these images. In this case, it's a short string that just tells us what the file name is. The other thing we have on the page is a set of logo images. We can click through logo images, and there's a small number of them that we allow. I think it's 8. We have a page background that you can see here is faded back so that the background doesn't overwhelm the content. If we look at one of the images, say this one, you can notice that it scales to fit the window. The images can be scrolled through. When we get to one we like, we might want to see what the caption says. So, in this case, there's some verbiage. If you want to show up in Google search, you need captions and text material. If you close the image there, we're back at the page. The other thing that shows up here, if you share this page to Facebook, as I've done here, it displays an image that we chose to display and text content about our link, which is also what we chose to display. Gallery Builder supports GIF images, JPEG images, and PNG images. This is an animated GIF image. These are PNG or JPEGs usually. I usually use a JPEG for the background, but Gallery Builder will also support GIF animations in the gallery. And if you click on one of them, you see that it enlarges to fill the screen. And a real small GIF may not look perfect enlarged, but nonetheless, there it is. Gallery Builder is what is called a responsive design. So the screen sizes to fit different media. For example, in this case, the screen would look something like that with a screen of 1440 by 1024. A little smaller screen, it looked like that. You see that the number of columns in the rows has decreased, and finally, if you get down to something that's pretty small, we only show one image in the column. So that's a quick look at the gallery that we built. Now, let's build a gallery.